I hope all is well with you. I'm Sharon from Theclastyle. So guys, happy to have you on board again, and hope you would stick around till the end to see what DIY I have in store for you. So guys, you see that bell on the side there? Please hit it, become my friends, and hit the notification so that every time I upload a video, you would be the first to know. So guys, let's jump straight into it. I hope you're having a blessed day. I hope all is well with you. Stay safe, stay blessed. Yah loves you. And let's get started.
So I had gotten this table at a workshop that I was working at. It was being thrown out, and I decided to take it to use as a plant stand. It has 2 levels on it, and I was giving it a repaint and so on. Now, of course, I cut the piece, and this is the table. Now, my intention was to tile and do all sorts of stuff, but I decided, okay, it's going to be a table top. Now, my intention was to make it wrong. Of course, that wasn't the plan when I got here to do it, and I'm using my curve rule, and I'm going to do a nice kind of oval table. So this is the plan. Now I'm putting all the pallets together, and then I'm going to add piece to the bottom. Now, because it has a piece in the center which an umbrella is going to be inserted into the table, I had to go under and make some strips to hold them in place and then screw it. So I'm just using my curve rule to cut that away.
Guys, I have this table here. It's a big table we used to use when we decorate for Christmas. We used to put a large Christmas tree on it, but we are no longer using it, and it's gotten, a bit of wear and tear. So I'm just going to take it apart and make something small out of it. I want to use the frame in it, so I'm just going to get that. So I'll loosen all the screws. Now this is a What Would You Make open invite hosted by OK at Home DIY, Sweet Little Home, and Marsha Mush and Stuff. Do check out all these ladies. In the description box will be all the information, and head across to their channel, some lovely crafters. I'm going to save that for something else. I'm just going to continue taking off the screws from on the bottom piece. So what I'm doing, these are from the pallets. I've already laid them out. I drilled them to the pieces. I have to put a center piece in. I'm going to cut it on this line here. And what I'm doing is I'm setting up the framing from the wrong piece, and I've already marked all where I have to make a cut. So the space in between is 15 3/4. So I've already marked it. I'm cutting here. I'm leaving a 4-inch space from the bottom on the 2 sides, and all the excess is going to cut off. So I have the framing for the 2 parts right there. That's my hummingbird that always comes to visit. Just lining up to get the last side back, and the top looks gorgeous already.
So I'm just getting prepared to give it a good sanding. Now the hole that was originally going to be for the umbrella is still there. I'm not deciding what I want to do with it yet. Maybe I'll put a block in, or just rest a plant on it. So I'm just coming in and giving it a good sanding. It really looks farmhouse, and it's for outdoor, and I want this natural looking table.
I'm thinking I am going to paint the bottom of it white and the top in another color. I'm not sure yet. I haven't decided about the paint colors yet, but This is how it's looking so far. So I'm using wood stain on top of it. It's nothing professional. I'm just doing this to how I want it. So I'm using a American walnut. I had bought this quite a while ago. So this is 2 coats already, and you see already how it's become much darker. I think I'm going to be painting that either in white or black, because it was painted before, so I'm not sure as yet, but this is how it's looking. I think it's looking better in the black than it's not a real black, it's almost like a gray black. So I'm gonna just do a second coat. So I'm just finishing up this last piece here, and the vibes I'm getting from it is like a modern rustic kind of feel, because actually this is looking like a metal piece from a glance. I love the choice of using this dark one. Like I said, it was already painted. I did sand it down, but of course it would not have taken the stain nicely.
So guys, I have my satin finish, wood finish, wood finish, sorry, and I'm just giving it a coat of that, and then I'm going to give it a second coat and see how it looks. So my friends, this is how the table turned out. Now of course I did a collaboration with the same table, and I really wanted to upload it before, but you know, it didn't happen that way. So this is the finished table. I think it turned out gorgeous. I love the rustic farmhouse look of it. I have my lanterns set on it. You would have seen this in the other video. And guys, I am so thankful for you stopping by. Please like, subscribe and share my videos, and I will see you quite soon. Bye for now. Catch you later from my house stairs.